Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Is your iPhone microphone producing a low or muffled sound? In this video, I've got some troubleshooting solutions to fix your microphone. Let's go. First, make sure that there are no physical obstructions covering the microphone or speaker ports. You can find the microphone at the bottom, front, and rear. Knowing the exact location of these microphones can be helpful for troubleshooting audio issues or when you need to ensure they are not obstructed. If you need to clean the microphones, do so gently to avoid any damage. You can try to use a toothpick to carefully pluck out any dust or dirt from the microphone hole. If using a toothpick feels intimidating, try a clean toothbrush with super soft bristles. If there are no blockages causing the issue, it's likely a hardware malfunction, and the microphone should be replaced. And if it's directly by Apple, it can be quite expensive. The cost details are available on their website. Repairs can range from $49 to $149 or more, depending on your iPhone model. Alternatively, consider exploring local repair stores, where the same repair might be done at a more budget-friendly price. You can also check this linked video, for it has solutions like setting up your iPhone microphone, resetting settings, and any other help that can fix the issue. It has way more fixes and solutions, especially when you can't hear anything. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.